What is going on, everybody? How we doing? Pandora Postcard Diva here. Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to this page right here. You may see some other opportunities you may be interested in. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, and peruse around. All right, now I want to do I'm looking at my notes because I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Most of the time I do a video and I say, oh, I forgot to mention this. I have it in my head, but I didn't write it down. All right, so I'm going to do a review on the HBA funnel builder. It's a funnel builder review. Is it actually worth it? All right, and we're gonna walk through it. So before we get into that, let's go over the FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, make sure you visit income.thehba.net. All right, because it takes work, skill, and commitment to get results, guys. All right. You have to put the work in, all right? This is not spillover, pass-ups, one-ups, matrices, or any of that. It's direct sales. So when folks go to your link, from your efforts, you earn commissions, okay? Because you have to put the work in, all right? No income disclaimers, no guarantees. All right, so let's get into this HBA funnel builder review. All right, now, I'm going to put my link in the description for the funnel builder. Okay, and it is www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, the funnel builder. All right, $25 whole a month. All right, so go check it out. Now let's talk about it. All right, so let me ask you: have you ever tried to build a funnel and felt like you needed a computer science? It was so a computer science degree. It was so technical. You was just like, just forget it. Right, I've been there. It was a couple programs, not calling any names, that I joined, and it was just difficult for me. And I consider myself techie, okay, that I can figure things out and follow it, and you know, I just like to figure stuff out and work with it until I get it done. But there's some out there that it's difficult to figure out, right? And so if that's you, you're not technical, right? We don't need any coding, any of that stuff. We don't need to know any of that stuff. We got the perfect program for you. Okay, it's a software, simple page, online. And that's the other reason why I got started with this. Because it's only $25 a month, guys. Only $25 a month. And I think it's the most useful tool that I have in my toolbox. Okay, for $25. There was a program I was in. It was $50 a month, okay? For me, I had gotten to the point where I didn't have to pay the $50 anymore because I had built my residual, if you will. And that's what we're talking about here. But it was $50 a month. Here we're talking $25. And I was with that one for 7 years, okay? So I want to walk you through what's inside the HBA funnel builder and what I use it for and whether it's worth your money. I want you to see that, okay? I think it is, in my opinion, but I want you to check it out. So, what's in this funnel builder? Not just what's in it, but what is it? Let's start with that. So, what exactly is it? It's a website and funnel builder used for real businesses. It's not a knockoff tool slapped together overnight. It's $25 a month. You can build landing pages, sales funnels, membership sites, e-commerce stores, and here's the best part: you get unlimited pages, unlimited funnels, unlimited custom domains, free SSL, no caps, no upgrade, no caps. So it's like, some of these MLMs, you reach a cap and you can't earn anymore. You just build here and you earn unlimited potential, okay, if you put the work in. All right, now let's talk about the features. Let me walk you through those features, and then I'm going to show you, because I'm going to log into my funnel builder so you can see how simple it is. I've shown you guys this before, where you can actually create a capture page in, less than 5 minutes. All right, so we're going to go into that. So first, let's take a look. We've got what we call the template club. If you're not a designer, this is a lifesaver. You get done for you pages that are already built and ready to customize. You're not starting from a blank screen. You just pick a template, swap in your content, and it's live. So let's go. All right, I'm already logged in. Here we go. So what I do is I click right here, it says Funnel Builder, and you click here, it says Log In. Boom. Voila, I'm in. All right, here's a page I created from one of the templates. Actually, this is one of my leading pages. Okay, so all you do is you come in here and you click here, it says Funnels. Come down here, as you can see, I've created tons of them already. All right, and I'm not done yet. And then we come down here, you click here, click Page, and boom, the Template Club. This is what I'm talking about. Click right here, the Template Club. Look at all the done for you pages that's in here. That's what we're saying. And then all you're going to do is pick one, swap out the content. So let's say we wanted this one. Okay, I'm not going to build one. I'm just going to show you if you wanted one. You could preview it first, then you could select it. Let's say you say, yeah, I'm going to check this one out. You select it and you're going to name it demo, test, whatever, right? You got your template, boom, boom, boom. I hit add. You see that? How it just popped up? There we are, guys. Okay? There we are. And I can go in here and just type whatever I want. Free. Look, I'm just switching out what they have for what I want. Free video. Boom. Break past all limitations. Whatever. I'm just showing you how simple it is just to type it. Right? And then I come over here. Move this and click save. It's saved and it's an actual template. It's live. Okay, of course I need to tie it into, let's say, my sales page, right? Simple as well. You just come here and you're able to do that right here as well. We're not going to build it. I just want you to see what's in here. Okay, that's how simple it is just to go in here, pick a template and make it your own, just like that. Okay, so there's tons of them in here. I just wanted you to see that. Tons and tons and tons. We could go on an hour looking at all the templates that's in here. Okay, tons of them. Okay, and that's just right there. There's pages over here, pages all the way down the line. Okay, so template club. Okay, so you see that. Okay, so we're just running down the features. So that's one, the template club. Number two, Funnel Builders Academy. Okay, this is the training that comes with it. A lot of tools that give you the keys and leave you stranded. A lot of companies do, right? They say, hey, you sign up, you don't really even know what's in your back office that you're really buying. A lot of times, right? You see things on the surface, then when you actually buy it, you log into the back office, you're like, what is this? This is what I paid $250 for, $500 for, $1,000 for? You'd be surprised. I know programs out here right now, $2,000, $3,000, and there's nothing in the back offices, really. It's coming soon, right? So this is the training that comes with a lot of tools that give you the keys. HBA actually teaches you how to use the tools. That's the other thing. Teaches you how. Right here, matter of fact, here's the training to set up your funnel. But then we have the academy. The training walks you through building the funnels that convert. So right here is where you're going to build. See right here, it says start here, begin your funnel building journey. All right. Not just funnels that look pretty, but ones that convert. That's number two. Number three, we've got what's called Sage AI Chat. This is the 24/7 built-in AI assistant. Got a question at 11 at night? Sage has you covered. It's like having support on call whenever you need it without waiting on a ticket or a reply. They have built that Sage chat box to be human-like, okay, to hold human-like conversations. I've seen it live. Matter of fact, on the sales page here, once you opt into my page, www.getpaidfromhome.info, all right, you're going to go to my sales funnel page, opt in, you're going to come to this page, right, and you come down here on this page, and they actually have a demo within this program to show you how it works. Look right here, Sage AI, what's working now webinar. All right, so you can go in here and see Sage in action. which is right here, this little bubble to the right. You click it. All right. Hi, I'm Sage. What's your name? And you just actually type your question in here, and Sage is going to have a full conversation back and forth with you and answer your questions. They have built Sage that way. Okay, so what does that mean? That means when people come to your page just like this and they have a question, Sage can answer the questions for them. All right, without you having to explain everything, guys. That is powerful. All right, so you got Sage. So you put all three together and you got a tool that's actually set up for someone who's just getting started or someone who's been doing this a while, or just tired of overpaying. Because are you paying over $25 a month for a funnel? A marketing system? You're paying too much, because we got this one for $25. And it's been here for 10 years. This is not something new to just a fly-by-night company or a fly-by-night product we're just trying to throw at you. It's been here for 10 years. Okay? That's the other thing. So, who is it actually for? Anyone who needs a website, a presence online, affiliate marketers, network marketers. You need websites, businesses. Not Sage. Funnel Builder is for you. All right. So again, why spend 97? Why spend 100? Why spend 300? That exists out here. It's unbelievable. When you don't know what you don't know, people pay those outrageous costs for a funnel builder. It's just insane. All right. So lastly, another reason is, of course, I chose the HBA funnel builder because guess what? As an affiliate, we earn 80% commissions. Okay, which is the highest paying in the space because it's residual. Okay. Yeah, you get those instant pay programs that we're part of where you pay they pay you 100%, but we're not talking instant pay because that's one and done. Residual is where you do the work once and you get paid again and again and again. That's what we have here. This is a different business model. All right, I like both. I like to be able to have my instant pay, my cash flow there, and then I like to build a residual, and that's what we're building here. So this is not a one and done. Remember, when you refer someone over here, the funnel builder is $25 a month, and you're going to earn $20 every time, every month, over and over from that same customer, from your same customers. Let's say you had 5 customers, all paying you $20 a month. Okay, again and again and again and again until they stop paying it, right? And most people don't because it's a value. You're getting some value of having this funnel builder, everything I just went over. So anyway, 80% commissions, recurring. They pay out weekly here every Thursday. Okay, you don't have to wait a whole month to get paid. You sign somebody up today, next Thursday you're getting paid. And then when they pay their membership the next month, you get paid the next month and the next month. Okay, all right, that's residual, guys. So refer to people and your subscription pays for itself. It's not a gimmick, it's just the math. I just did the math for you. And like I said, they've been around since 2016, 10 years. And they never changed the comp plan. My goodness, never changed it. It's been the same. They've had the same product. Okay? So you're looking at a solid company. The owners are out front. The owners are answering questions. They're on all the calls. And they're training Monday through Friday. So you don't have to worry about explaining this to people. This is a beginner's, newbie's dream, okay? Not having to explain anything. Everybody goes to the training to learn, okay? So you don't have to explain it and you try to figure out, well, what am I going to tell people when they sign up with me? No worries. They're going to attend the training. If they can't make the training, we have recorded videos, okay, that they can look at the replay, all right? Then they can come in here also as an affiliate. This is on the sales page, but as an affiliate, you can come in here, all right? See, once you're an affiliate, see I'm in my back office as an affiliate, you come over here and you can ask questions as an affiliate, right? So once your folks sign up and they say, oh, I don't know what to do, you can let them know, hey, come right here and ask Sage questions as an affiliate about products, training, affiliate programs, support, and then, all right, that's one way there, right? And then we also have the community, all right, that you can come into and ask your questions and connect with the community. So no questions, you won't have to worry about questions not being answered, all right? So look at what I'm saying. What I'm saying, this is not for everybody, but it's worth checking out, okay? Everything is not for everybody, but I would check into it at least if I was you. It's only $25 a month. Unlimited pages, built-in AI done for you templates, training included. It's a pretty hard deal to beat. All right. And then to earn the residual month after month. I mean, you cannot beat it. And guess what else? They give you a 3-day money back guarantee. Okay. So it's $25. You opt into my page. www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, let me show you what my page looks like. Hang on. This is my page I built from those done for you templates I showed you. I went back there, found one that I wanted, and I just, took over, put my information in there and tied it to my sales page, right? And this is when you opt in, go to getpaidfromhome.info. You're going to end up on this page. Just come right here, come all the way down where it says Funnel Builder, okay? All right, Funnel Builder. But check this out. This is amazing. I love going in here. They paid out almost $7 million in commissions, guys, to date. As of today, they're almost at $7 million paid out to the members, okay? So this is nothing to sneeze at. This is a real company, okay? So anyway, come here, come all the way down, and you're going to see the Funnel Builder right here for $25. Come down. I want to show you where they state. I have a testimony on the page as well right here. All right. You'll see my picture here. You'll be able to put your picture on yours if you like as well. So you can brand your page. Okay. So you come down here and I want you to see they have a money back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose right here. 3-day money back guarantee. Try it, test it, use the tools, watch the training, see the platform. If it's not everything they said it is, they're going to give you your money back in within 3 days. If you request it within 3 days. No questions asked, no gimmicks, no games. It is what it is. Reach out to support. They'll cancel the account. All right. So you've seen the math, you've seen the proof. It's different. Right? It's your turn to check it out. www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me as well. My info is in the description. So feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you. Love to have you as a part of the team. And I want to thank everybody that's joined my tribe. Thank you so much for getting started. Let's crush this thing, guys. This is how you build residual income. The one-time payments are good, but that residual is great, right? All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.